The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV can be controlled remotely using an Android smartphone or iPhone via a wireless connection. After downloading the free app from the appropriate store, begin the pairing process. Please note that this process only needs to be carried out once per smartphone. Press the power switch to activate accessories mode. And then within 30 seconds, press lock and unlock alternately 10 times in total. The system will beep to indicate it's ready to pair your phone. Next, activate the Mitsubishi Remote Control app. Select Register, then select the SSID allocated to your vehicle. You'll find it in your documents pack, along with your password, which should also be entered at this stage. Registration starts automatically and when complete allows access to a number of features. Users could set charging schedules for different days of the week, allowing chargers to take advantage of overnight electricity, which can be at a discounted rate. Once set, users can use their key fob remote to turn the charging timer function off temporarily by just pressing the off button twice within 2 seconds. Users can also remotely set climate control functions, for example to preheat the vehicle, or set the windscreen heater function to quickly remove snow and ice on cold mornings. Further functions are available, which include manual climate settings, which enables the user to control the start and end of the air conditioning activation regardless of the timer setting, remote viewing of the vehicle charging status, and activating the lights to assist your way to the car on a dark night.
Your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.